In December, the weather in Majuro is warm, made worse by the frequent calms. The only wind we get is with squalls drifting in and out of sight, bringing both wind and wetness. Lack of wind makes it hard to stay cool. We purchased a pressure sprayer used to spray pesticides and use it as a shower. It uses little water, and it feels really great. We also got another fan for Pino. Moving the air around the boat helps a lot. Once in a while, we buy frozen pandanus juice. This too helps to cool us off, and it is delicious. Pandanus juice, or bob juice, is produced here in Majuro. It comes from these giant pinecone-like fruit that hang heavy in many trees around town. The keys covering the surface of the pandanus can be removed and processed into juice. We've been experimenting a lot with it. For instance, I made pandanus bread with it. This is one of the things we like the most about traveling, trying to find all the different varieties of locally grown fruit and vegetables. For instance, the breadfruit here are different than in French Polynesia and Tonga. They're less round, but taste the same. We also tried bell apples for the first time. While resembling apples on the outside, they taste nothing like them. Majuro doesn't have much in terms of fresh food markets, but we found enough variety to be happy. We continue to make food experiments on board, like coffee jelly, homemade mustard from seed, and pasta. Aboard Pino, if we're not cooking, we're working on projects. Devin has been working hard on Orca, a live coding environment. We released it this month and enjoy seeing what others make with it. We also set up a RetroPie, a low-power emulator on Raspberry Pi. Now we can play games in the evenings, a real treat. Devin and I are constantly researching information about Japan, about the various ports and options for travel. We're ironing out a few last details, and doing this is very exciting. It's weird to think we'll be there soon. Our path is always changing. Right now, we're considering swinging by Chichijima. The visit of Koyomaru, a Japanese ship that came to Majuro, also helped to fuel our excitement. We enjoyed speaking Japanese with the crew. We'll be spending another month here in Majuro, waiting for the weather to settle in the North Pacific. Not a bad place to wait. As always, thank you for keeping us afloat. Literally.
이제 와서 고치려 하면 뭐해 이제 와서 사과하려면 뭐해 이제 와서 내게 그렇게 무릎 꿇고 빌어봐도 다 소용없다고 Is it what so go and let my feelings fall Is it what so apologies are made for fun Is it what so I can fall and hurt and learn but you don't need to change a thing That's how it is 이제 와서 고치려 하면 뭐해 이제 와서 사과하려면 뭐해 이제 와서 내게 그렇게 무릎 꿇고 빌어봐도 다 소용없다고 Is it what so go and let my feelings fall Is it what so apologies are made for fun Is it what so I can
Oh no! Nobody cares.
내가 두려워